this is Lucas here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this big toy boat and it comes with the shark, and I've already opened it and it says try me, which it's pointing at the fin, and when we push the fin down, it opens its mouth. Okay, and this ship also comes with this helicopter and these two cars and the raft. And this is how it goes. So you lift this up and we lower the crane down like this. And then we bring the shark along, and it has these two pinches, and you use these two grabbers to pinch it open. And when you do that, you bring the shark along, and then you grab it, and then if you want, you can drive him like that, or you can bring him on board. But I like keeping him on like that. And these two come down. So we drive the cars up here. And there are these two bits that you do this, and then the raft comes out. But it's not supposed to come out. Then you just drive the raft around. Okay, to put the raft back in, you just do this and then you push it back in. And then the front opens up too. So you see that you just put the car in there and it comes driving out here. I'll show you how it goes. And it has a removable bit. The cannon. I'll put it all on and we'll take it to the pool. It says the ship can float, so let's try that. See, it's on a leaner, but that's okay. To fill the cannon up, you just put it underwater, and then you just wait till it stops, and then you just put it back on the boat. And the same way how you squirted it, you filled it up, you squirt it the same way. Or if you want, just leave it out and do it. And the helicopter is also a spraying one. And you do the same thing. This time the helicopter's different. So this time you can make him land on his helipad. And whenever the shark comes along, you can do this and spray him and say, "Take that, you!" And when you complete the mission, you just come land the helicopter back, and I'll show you how the raft works in water. Okay, this isn't supposed to work. I got a spare car though.
Let's start it from the beginning.
And then the car comes along and floats away. I'll just go get my net and save the other car. We'll have to wait till the pool clears out. But now you know how it works. But in water, as I showed you back there, you play it how you play. You just lower it down, and if it doesn't touch the water, that's okay. You do the same thing. And you can think the same thing too. And if the boat's leaning, that means it's about to tip over. And the shark also sinks. And on the instructions it says shark eats cars. And if you have spare cars like I have, you can play with them with it too. And you can do the same thing. Only if they fit in the mouth. And it can't eat the raft, only the back and the front. The sides and sides. Yeah, it can't eat the raft fully. And I've never tried this before, but you can make the shark do this and squeeze water out. Only if it will work. And I still have water in there, I don't know why. Okay. And if you want, you can just shove it into his mouth like that, and his tail's kind of wonky.
Okay. What do you think of the toy?
I think it's pretty good, as long as the toys don't get stuck in the shark's mouth. And I forgot, I know, I showed you that. And whenever you want, and this bit's squishy. I don't know why, it just came like that. Thanks for watching, bye!